Hey Student Success, welcome to your Week 8 assignment video. So Week 8 means we are almost halfway through our course now, which is exciting. So just as a nice reminder, since we are to that halfway point, you should be, if you haven't already, signing up for your student workshop that you're going to attend so you can submit that before the end of the semester. Alright, so Week 8 is a little different in terms of we don't have any kind of discussion forum or anything like that. We just have one assignment. It's the registration assignment, and it's falling perfectly because spring registration recently opened, and so you could have already or be getting ready to schedule your spring classes, and so this is the perfect time to really be thinking of that. So you have one assignment called the registration assignment. You're going to turn this in by Sunday to get your Week 8 attendance points. So you're going to go in here and click assignments. You're going to bring up this form right here. You're going to start filling it out. Now, I am doing this early October. You're going to be doing this for spring 2024. And then put your major. For this purpose, I'm just going to use business management. Alright, so we're going to fill this out. I'm going to tell you where to get this information from. So thankfully, within the last couple weeks, we've used a whole bunch of resources that are going to help us. The first thing we have used is your map page. So your map page can be a source for this particular assignment, looking through to see what classes you still need to take, what classes that you're currently taking. You'll be able to click on and try to interact with those classes. You can also use your program plan page, which I got from academics. I found my career community, and then I went into the specific major and brought up the PDF, and I can look and see the courses there. So real quick before I go into the nitty-gritties of this assignment is an exercise in using the college's resources. If you do not end up using the exact schedule that you fill out right here, that is okay. And so saying like, oh, I don't know what I'm going to take in spring yet, I can't do this assignment, that's not an excuse, because this literally is trying to make you think about what you're going to take in the spring semester. And if you don't end up scheduling the classes that you put on this, that's fine. It's just, like I said, an exercise in using these resources, knowing where to go, making an appointment with your advisor, and thinking about your future classes. Okay, so just keep that in mind, that it's totally okay if you don't end up using the schedule that you build, but it can also be used as a way to talk to your advisor about, hey, these are the classes I'm thinking of taking. If you already scheduled for spring, you have an easy job. You're just going to copy the information over into this form and submit it that way. If you're a CCP student, go ahead and message me separately and let me know, and I can let you know what to do for that. Alright, so where do I go for this information? I'm going to go to my SSC. I'm going to go under, you can see here, down here to Student Tools. I'm going to go to Register for Classes. I'm not going to quite register yet, but it's the route that I'm going to go, because I'm going to go to Browse Classes. Alright, so I'm going to say that I need to look at Spring 24. And here's where I'm going to start putting in information. Let's say that I need to take Business 124, Business Analysis with Algebra. So I'm going to type in Business and 124. And then here it's going to have all of the offerings for this in the spring. So I'm going to go back to my form here, and my subject is Business, that's BUS. So the subject is these three-letter abbreviations, MKT, ENG. My number is the three-digit number right beside it. Is it a 124 or 221? So I just did Business 124. And then, obviously, the name is just, course title. And then the rest of it I can kind of start getting from here. So this is a 3-credit-hour course. And now I need to start looking at the different options. So let's say I want to take it, on campus. So I'm going to take it on this one. This looks good. Monday, Wednesday from 12 to 1:15. So this is a 3-credit, 12 to 1:15, Monday, Wednesday, and that was on main campus. I know that because I can kind of see this right here, and then I can also pull across and see exactly what room it's scheduled to be in as well. And then the CRN is the 5-digit number that's right here, 47200. Now let's say I didn't want to take this class on campus, I want to take it online, because there are some web offerings. I simply just, for times, I just put web, days, web, campus, web. Okay, so that doesn't really make a difference, I just put that information there. And then I go ahead and I fill in, but not all of these have to be filled out. Maybe if you only plan on taking 2 or 3 classes, just have 2 or 3 rows. No matter what, then at the bottom, you type in how many credits you're going to take. Okay, so again, you're going to be using the My SSC, you can use your map page, you can use your program plan page, and then you will use the My SSC to try to search for different classes. This is a good exercise in using these tools and being comfortable with them. When you have this sheet filled out, you're going to go up here and make sure you save it with your changes so I don't get a blank document. And then you will just go right back into Blackboard and submit it under Upload File. So that is your registration assignment. If you have any questions on that, please let me know. Again, your registration form does not have to be perfect. It does not have to be your final draft of what you actually registered for. It's just making sure that you know, you're thinking ahead, planning ahead, and you know how to use those resources, and to get you thinking about, hey, I need to schedule an appointment with my advisor, or I need to get this going. But if you do have questions on that, please reach out and have a great week.